The standard reduction potential of silver electrode is plus 0.8 volts. Calculate the concentration of silver ion at which the electrode potential becomes 0. That means E cell is equal to 0. Now the reduction reaction of the silver electrode is Ag plus aqueous plus 1 electron gives rise to Ag solid. The nearest equation for this electrode is E Ag plus Az is equal to E0 Ag plus Az minus 0.0591 by N log product Q, log Q. Q is product concentration by reactant concentration. Anyway, product is Az solid whose concentration is 1 molar. So 1 by concentration of the Ag plus. Anyway, EAG plus AZ value is 0 as I mentioned in the problem. E0 value is 0.8 minus 0.0591 by number of electrons 1 log 1 by Ag plus. Here we can consider this as log 1 by Ag plus is equal to 0.8 by 0.0591. If you divide 0.8 with 0.0591, we will get 13.53. 1 by Ag plus is equal to anti-log 13.53. Okay, if you calculate and if you calculate the Ag plus concentration, we will get 2.95 into 10 power minus 14 molar. So the answer is option A.